Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In this tutorial, I'll explain how to use webhooks in Zapier to connect apps and services that don't have built-in integrations, giving you powerful automation possibilities. First, log into your Zapier account and click Create Zap at the top left of the dashboard. Start by selecting a trigger app. If your app supports webhooks, you can choose the webhook option from the list. Zapier supports two types of webhooks: Catch Hook and Custom Request. Catch Hook listens for data sent to a unique URL from another app or service. Custom Request lets you send data to any API endpoint with custom settings. For example, if you want to receive real-time updates from an app that sends webhook notifications, select Catch Hook. Zapier will provide you with a unique URL. Copy this URL and paste it into the app's webhook settings so it knows where to send data. Next, test the webhook by triggering an event in the sending app. If successful, Zapier will catch the data and show it in the test step. Once the webhook trigger is working, add actions to your Zap that use the received data, like creating a new record in Google Sheets or sending a message in Slack. If you need to send data out from Zapier, choose the custom request action and configure the HTTP method, headers, and body according to the receiving API's requirements. Webhooks are a powerful way to connect almost any app or service to Zapier, even if there isn't a direct integration. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.